Fastia Hayuningtyas, majoring of English Education Department at the University of Indraprastha PGRI. Let's get started!
Quizzes. The strengths are 1. Quizzes made it easier for educators to create questions. 2. Each student answers the questions correctly. There will be several points obtained at a time. 3. Can see the ranking for every successful answer. 4. When you finish the quiz, at the end of the quiz there will be a review questions. And 5. The list of questions can be scrambled. The weaknesses are 1. Student can register other accounts and cheat. 2. The time speed of working on questions affects rank. 3. It would be a problem if a few students were to join late. Step by step to create equations. Step 1. Go to link quizzes.com site. You can log in or you can sign up using your Google account. Step 2. Once you sign up, please click on the teacher. Step 3. Enter the name of the quiz to be created, like Computer-Assisted Language Learning, and select relevant subject. Step 4. Click Create New Questions to start creating questions and choose all kinds of questions. Step 5. Write down the questions you want to ask, like the questions I created, and click Save. Now, the quiz you created can be shared with the other students.
Kahoot. The strengths are 1. The atmosphere of the class can be more pleasant. 2. Students are trained to use technology as a medium to learn. 3. The student practices his motor skills in the Kahoot's ignitions. The weaknesses are 1. Inadequate school facilities. 2. The students are easy to unlock other things. 3. Limited time of meeting in class. 4. Not all teachers have time to organize a learning design with Kahoot. And 5. Quizzes with slightly more complex and time-consuming methods. Step by step to create equations. Step 1. Open up kahoot.com with your own web browser. Register your account, and I won't teach you how to do it because I'm sure you already can. Step 2. After login, now click the Create button. Step 3. On this page, there are 5 sections that need to be adjusted. 1. Make a question first. 2. Decide the countdown to these questions. 3. Decide also how many points to the correct answer. 4. Fill the 4 multiple choice answer. And finally, select the correct answer. Step 4. If you are ready, now click the button down in the top right. Step 5. Give the name for the new quiz, and the quiz can be answered by the students.
Purpose. The strengths are 1. May put out a certificate for students who have completed the quiz. 2. It made it easier for educators to pop quizzes. And 3. Suitable for junior high school students and senior high school students. The weaknesses are 1. Too much advertising. 2. Less appealing animations of wordplay.
Step by step to create equations. Step 1. Go to link address w.profprofs.com. You can registration by filling out email form and password. Step 2. Open an email. See the notification email of the ProProfs and log in the ProProfs with your username and password. Step 3. Click Create a quiz. To create a quiz, select Scored Quiz and then Submit. Step 4. Click Add Questions and pick any question scheme you want. Step 5. Write the questions to be tested. The questions should be written in Microsoft Word or other word processing, so in writing about not a long time, stay in copy-paste. Step 6. You can click Identity Settings of students that want to be known. Before working on the problem by clicking Yes on name, email or ID. Step 7. The student after the online quiz will get the certificate and the score automatically.